Hey YouTube, back with another video. Today is January 16th, well 15th, it just hit 1 a.m. We are grinding out here, fellas. And we are doing a mystery tackle box. Not pro, not the original. Come on man, you know how we do things around here. Elite everything. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we got in today's video. Well, this is Crackalackingfishing for sure. First bait, we got a lunker straight up junior 3/16 out weighted lure. This is gonna catch you some crappie right here. Look at that bad boy. Would I use this? Next bait, we got some road runners. No, literally, road runners. We have some chartreuse head jigs with some blades on it. It's looking like a crappie box. I'm not really a crappie fisherman, but you know my dad is. So when he sees this, he'll be really excited. It's looking pretty juice. Let's get on to the next bait. Woo. We got some current jig cutters. No, literally. Some jig cutters. We have some jig heads. You could probably throw a white small swim bait on here. I would. Crappie fishing. Oh yeah, you'll probably catch some crappie. You'll definitely be eating tacos tonight after using this bait. Saltwater. What? Never thought I'd be seeing this in the MTB box before. We have some saltwater laser sharp eagle claw wire rigs. I don't really go saltwater fishing, but I'm pretty interested to see how these things work. They really look like wires here. I'm curious to see if you were to fish saltwater versus non-saltwater, will you have to use wire for your rigs versus saltwater? I don't know. It's one thing to keep in mind though. But you guys know how we do it. Next bait. Now hold on. Before we get to this next bait, did you like and subscribe? Yes, you. No, you. No, I'm staring at you. Did you like and subscribe? No. I need you to click off the video. No. Stop watching. If you're still watching, don't try to click off. Okay, get a favorite? Nah, it's too much. Way too much. Hold on, before we get into the next bait, did you like and subscribe? If you didn't, make sure you hit that like button. Turn on that.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Next bait, we have some crab and creeks. Now remember the last MTB box, we did have the same brand and the same MTB box, so it's really familiar with this brand. I'm really liking MTB's tackle selection here. Can't go wrong with these. What I Texas rig these? All day, baby. All up in them piles of wood. No homo.
Oh! Ew!
Next bait, we got some Carl's Amazing Baits. Made by Carl's himself. Got some little bandino, quote unquote bugs. Little crawls here. Can never go wrong with crawls, guys. So I'm really liking their baits. I see how they pit a sparkle green, that lime green with that purple and a green pumpkin. I'm really liking that, Carl's. You should keep that up. Next bait, no questions asked. From the boys over there at the Guggen Squad, we have a Zinger spinner bait. Forgot what color this is. Oh, sexy shad. Duh. Yellow, blue, and whites. Favorite colors. Best time to use this lure is when you know those big bass are munching on them shads. I mean, just eating them after just lunching. You know, it's their everyday life, so best bait to use these. Not a bad bait at all. Next bait, Mystery Tackle Box is really mixing us up. I guess you could say it's really mystery. We have an electronic lure right here. Never used an electronic lure in my life. Lipless crankbait. It's a smart chip. Overall, I never used an electronic bait. I guess there's only one way to find out how this really swims. Stay tuned. Next up, we got some Googan Squad. 3/0 and a 4/0 hook. Definitely going to be using those. Next up, we have a jerk bait from Mystery Tacklebox from the boys over at Strike Pro. Clear, ultra clear bait. Best bait to use this is when it's a sunny day, clear water. It's camera time during that feeding time, if you know what I'm saying. Next bait, I know from my last Mystery Tackle Box. If you're a Mystery Tackle Box Pro, or should I say Elite, you probably recognize this brand. But we got some new colors, ladies and gentlemen. Last time I used these, caught a 2-pounder on these. Might be excited to use these again in the shad color. Well folks, that's going to wrap up today's video. Short video, 10-minute video. If you guys did like today's video, make sure you guys go ahead, like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on an Elite tackle box that we unbox. Also guys, make sure you stay tuned for more prepared videos in the future. And also stay safe, as we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.